Shannon changed a lot over season 1, which I'm very happy about. Gradually, she's become a bit more sympathetic, a bit more vulnerable. We found a few softer colors there, especially with the storyline with Saeed. So I thought that was really lovely, and hopefully that will continue. I am excited about what's in store for Shannon. I know a lot of the arcs, and I think we're gonna have some really cool stuff coming up. She's yet to have a flashback, so it's from her point of view. We had 111, episode 111, which was more really from Boone's point of view. So we found out she's a bit of a master manipulator, but we still don't really know, how she became who she is, and really what her point of view is. It's a very close-knit cast, but we're really excited about the new characters and new actors that are going to portray them. Some of them haven't arrived yet, so we're just eagerly awaiting, and from what I've heard, I think they're going to be a really, really great fit. I've heard amazing things, and of course, the previous works speak for them, so we're pretty excited. They'll be welcomed with open arms. I don't think they're going to find any cliques here. It's like high school, being the new kid in the cafeteria. Like, can I sit at your table at lunch? So I think it's going to be good.